हेलो दोस्तों। आज आप देख सकते हो टाटा ग्रुप में एक न्यूज़ कि टाटा ग्रुप्स टू टेक ऑन रिलायंस एंड अमेज़न लॉन्च सुपर ऐप बाय दिसंबर। तो अगर ये काम सक्सेसफुल हो गया तो इस स्टॉक में बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ी देखा जा सकता है। आखिर कौन सा है, क्या है, चलिए देखते हैं। Tata Groups to take a Reliance and Amazon launch Super App by December. Super App is a single application. Super App is a single application that offers a varied range of services from food, financial services, digital services, education, among the others. और दूसरा भी काम ये करेगा. In what could be the country's first super app, business conglomerate Tata Group is reportedly planning to launch a super app by the end of this year, offering a range of services bundled in a one app. Financial Times has reported the Financial Daily quotes the group chairman N. Chandrasekaran has saying it will be a super app, a lot of apps in an app, and so on. We have a very big opportunity. तो देख सकते हो ये न्यूज़ से टाटा ग्रुप्स के शेयर्स में तेज़ी देखा जा सकता है। और ये देखिए, द सुपर ऐप इज़ लाइकली टू लॉन्च बाय दिसंबर और जनवरी. N. Chandra said that the super app would provide a range of services for food, grocery, fashion and lifestyle, consumer electronic and consumer durables. The super app is also expected to include insurance and financial service, education, healthcare and bill payment. The idea, according to the company, is to connect all the business and services that the Tata Group offers and offer it online through an omni-channel experience. A super app is a single application that offers a varied range of services from food, financial service, digital service, education, among the others. Super app has a concept are currently popular in Southeast Asian country where apps such as Grab, Gojek and Meituan are widely used. For Tata, which has a business ranging from food, IT and digital financial service, tourism and travels, auto consumer and retail, consolidating all the offerings under one app may not be difficult. In fact, that group also incorporated a new entity last year called Tata Digital, which according to its website, तो होपफुली हो सकता है ये टाटा डिजिटल नाम का एंटिटी में इस शेयर में तेज़ी देखा जाए. Want to build a world-class platform out of India to serve the Indian consumer. Pratik Pal, former global head of retail, traveler and hospitality, was appointed as the CEO of Tata Digital. Tata's move to develop a super app also comes at the time when the e-commerce and online industry is firming up with the digital adaptation accelerating in the country. Existing players too are tapping into various business areas to be able to offer a whole host of service. The country's largest business conglomerate, Reliance Industry 2, has been aggressively building a digital presence in the country through the Jio platform, which also raised over $20 billion from 13 global investors, including Google and Facebook. While Reliance has launched various digital services, it is also looking to extend the JioMart beyond grocery to offer e-commerce, healthcare, education, and other services through the platform. Existing e-commerce players such as Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm too are adding new services such as financial services and other adjacent offerings through a new launches and partners. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, ये एक शानदार मौका है टाटा ग्रुप्स में इन्वेस्ट करने का.